Hello and welcome back to another episode of Stragglers, where I look and see if Britain's oldest trains are still fit for the network they run on. Today I am at the wonderfully Art Deco Surbiton station to have a look at the Class 455s with South Western Railway. Do check out my episode on the Class 165s that I released last week. The Class 455 which you're seeing in front of you were built between 1982 and 1985 by BREL and are an electric multiple unit running on third rail operations within South West London. The 455s currently operate with South Western Railway but used to operate with Southern and were retired in 2022. Today's journey was between Surbiton and Vauxhall, approximately taking 20 minutes on board one of these ageing units.
1411 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo, calling at Wimbledon, Earlsfield, Clapham Junction, Vauxhall and London Waterloo. This train has 8 carriages. Please note, some Phillips at Earlsfield and Vauxhall are currently out of service. Please speak to a member of staff. 1416 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo.
First impressions are that these units are incredibly good for trains built in the early 80s. They were refurbished with South Western trains in 2004, but in 2014 had light refreshes, as you can tell. These trains look really good in my opinion. Sadly, no aircon though. The in-carriage map still features South West Trains branding. As for the seat, for commuter trains these are actually pretty good and have quite a lot of padding.
Or text the British Transport Police on 61016.
As for ride quality, these ride quite well and are quite smooth, but some braking applications can be quite firm. As I touched on before, these trains have no aircon, but even on a hot summer's day like this, it wasn't too warm with the windows open.
The next station is Wimbledon. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
And from Wimbledon, we go to the UK's busiest station, Clapham Junction. My stop's just one stop from here, Vauxhall, which in comparison is much quieter and much better to film at. Clapham Junction would have seen Southern's Class 455s as late as 2022 and South Western Railway's 456s as late as 2021. And for anybody interested, that's Southern's Class 377 special NHS livery from COVID. Remember that?
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to a member of staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016.
Now for a walkthrough. Although these trains have no toilets, they do have slam doors that connect each carriage together, although I struggled on these because I was holding my phone. Then, some more dodgy footage later, we are approaching into Vauxhall, where my service ends. So what are my final thoughts on the 455s? I honestly really like these units, and I've been in the Class 701, I'll insert some pictures here, which are nice, sure, but the 455s just have that old feeling, which I like. Retro feeling trains are cool. And before I leave you with the video of our 455 departing, thank you very much for watching this episode of Stragglers. Make sure you check out my previous episode on the Class 165. I'll have many more episodes coming up soon, including the Class 465. Thank you for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.